My question po is about auditions of PBB. Paano siya nagwo-work? Most of the chosen housemates have face card or artistahin look. This is not hate but curiosity kung paano namimili ng magiging housemates.
We see to it na kada audition leg or venue, there are levels ng auditions. Kumbaga, there are stages na you have to pass this, you have to pass that. But true, when people say na parang puro artistahin or whatever, to be honest, that's the easiest find when you do an audition. Like when you see 20 people, syempre magsa-stand out muna talaga looks. So sa totoo lang, yun ang pinakamadali for a casting person. But the challenge now comes with sino may personality or sino may quirk. Yun yung hindi alam ng tao na akala nila the moment that we speak to you, yun lang yung moment mo to be noticed. No eh. The moment that you walk in a room, you see nuances already of that person. Whether medyo slow siya or medyo pabibo siya, it's the way you carry yourself, ganyan. Si Melay, alam mong parang kitikite, ganyan. So doon pa lang, the moment that you fall in line, we already see. But ang mahalaga sa amin, so aside from the quirks, the looks, mahalaga syempre yung stories. So definitely the audition comes to a point wherein we dwell on the story of the person para alam din namin kung how does it play up. But again, casting is about the mix. It's not about one specific person or personality.